Businesses affected by the roadwork around the Portia Simpson Miller Square could be compensated for loss of revenues. The indication came from Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he toured the Portia Simpson Miller Square bypass today. TVJ's Kirk Wright has more.
On Friday, the Prime Minister toured the Portia Simpson Miller Square bypass in St. Andrew. He was asked about businesses seriously impacted by the roadwork in the area and if they are to expect any compensation.
That is something that the Cabinet will have to consider. We're hearing the conversation. It has come up for our attention, but there has been no decision on that matter.
That aside, the Prime Minister was pleased with the level of work that had gone into constructing the overpass bridge at the Portia Simpson Miller Square.
Based upon what I'm hearing, we might even be ahead of schedule for completion, based upon the pace at which China Harbour is moving. I'm satisfied that they're moving very quickly on this project.
Additionally, Mr. Holness says the road that's now being worked on to take the traffic off Spanish Town Road into Seaview Gardens and onto Marcus Garvey Drive is almost completed. When Mr. Holness reached Seaview Gardens, workmen were busy preparing a section of the roadway to pour on fresh asphalt mix.
That is very close to completion. I would say you're about 90% completed. To observe the progress being made on the new roadways, the new interchange, I suspect that is the term that we will use to describe them, an interchange at the Portia Simpson Miller Square. The work so far on the ramps, which we are on now, seem to have been progressing pretty smoothly and rapidly.
The Prime Minister observed the state of the gullies and said provisions will be made to clean them.
Even the bypass road that we have almost completed, additional provisions will be made for drainage and to protect the road, because that road would be almost at sea level and several drains run in that direction. So we have made provisions for those, and based upon what I have seen, I have said to Mr. Hunter that we will have to make additional budgetary provisions to ensure that drainage is secured.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.